That's the final output of this project. So these are the piezoelectric sensors here, 100 piezoelectric sensors. Now, if I put steps here, it will start making sound.
Let's begin.
Hello everyone, this is our project name, IoT-based security system using floor mat and generating power from piezoelectric. So we have these piezoelectric sensors, these are 100 piezoelectric sensors. So if we tap them, it will give alert that somebody is standing on doormat. We will use this doormat on this. Okay. And this is our inverter module here. And this is IoT based device, so we can control it using this IoT device. So here is Wi-Fi connected to cloud. If we turn on phone, this button, so it will be turning on and off. And at this point we can get alert. Okay. And these all are rectified using these diodes. We have separated all these by 10 layers. Okay, so we have 10 diodes here. All are connected in parallel because voltage generated is good, but current is very low by the piezoelectric. So we have used in parallel. So we are charging this 4-volt battery, which is boosting this 4 volt to 16 or 18 volts. You can set using the potentiometer here, and it is charging the 12 volt battery. Why we are charging? Because potential should be higher, and we need to show some application of this project. So we are using application as 5 volt here, 705 to charge phone here, and to turn on the microcontroller, and inverter circuit here, 220 volt, 12 volt to 220 volt, just to show this bulb is glowing or not. And one servo motor used here as a gate. Okay, that's the project. And just connect this using app remote XY, and you can just control it. Okay, thank you. So now we have installed doormat on it. Close the doormat, and now we'll see again with the phone. Yeah, so if I put steps on it, so buzzer will make sound. Okay, okay, and again servo motor same way. Okay, चल के जाओ यहाँ पे आता. हाँ. Okay, so this is app. So we will see if some person is there. So we will see notification here. Okay, like this. Okay, that's working of this project. Final output of this project. So these are the piezoelectric sensors here, 100 piezoelectric sensors. Now this is covered with this doormat. Now if I put steps here, it will start making sound. Okay. And on phone application you can also see same thing, IoT based.
Hello everyone, we are from Xilir Technologies, New Delhi, India. We develop research-based component hardware, projects and products globally. Xilir Technologies has the largest collection of projects. On our website, you can get services like unique engineering projects, science projects, MTech PhD thesis guidance, self-learning kits, ready-made projects, hardware component, drone-related services, software and simulations, research paper writing and publications in top journals and conferences. We also provide patent-related services. So to upgrade your knowledge, you can join our channel. For more details, please check the description. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.